What is HTML? We see a computer screen with a web page open on it. The page is written in HTML. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the backbone of the Internet. It's a markup language that's used to create web pages and other types of online content. We see the cursor moving across the screen, highlighting various elements of the page. HTML uses tags to define different elements of a web page. These tags are surrounded by angle brackets, like this. Some tags require additional information, which is included in the tag as attributes. HTML tags can be nested inside each other to create more complex structures, like tables or forms. HTML also allows you to add images, videos, and other media to your web pages. And because HTML is a markup language, it's designed to be read by both humans and machines. This makes it a great way to create content that's accessible to everyone, regardless of what devices or software they're using. We see the screen zoom out to show a variety of different devices and software programs, all displaying the same web page. In short, HTML is the foundation of the web. And if you want to create your own web pages, it's the first language you should learn. The screen goes black. Thanks for learning about HTML with me. Goodbye.